This is my Canon 6D. I got it back in 2013 and it really served me well for a lot of years, shooting all kinds of stuff from skateboarding to weddings to product photography, event photography. It's really been a good all-around camera and I just would hate to see it go. The other day the camera fell out of the back of my car in its case, but the weight of my heavy 35 to 300 lens came down on top of it and it cracked this corner screen right here. So if we turn it on, it looks like that. I can't shoot video with it now, and there's no menu screen in order to find the Wi-Fi hookup. The camera still works, it just needs a new LCD screen. So I just went on eBay and I picked up a replacement LCD screen. First thing you want to do is pop off your eyepiece cover. Put that to the side and you can see that you have 3 screws here that hold the face on. So I'm gonna start with those. The second screw that we have to find is right here in your port doors. Now this is the first time I've ever pulled this camera apart. We'll probably find some dust and dirt in there as well. Who knows? And then the next screw that we have is right here inside of the battery compartment. The next screw that we're going to pull out is hidden underneath this part of the grip right here, and I guess you just peel it back. Never knew that did that so easily. And there's 2 right there, so pull both of those out. The next screw you're going to want to do is right here by the microphone. The last 2 screws I see are right here along the bottom. Just kidding. Now I see it. Once you get that screw off, you can expose for the next screw that's hiding right in here. Once you get all the screws out, it looks like this front pops off very easily, accessing the only part of the camera that we need to access. You can see that this is where the ribbon cable is inserted. Now I just pop that tab back. Once you remove this connection, then you can access the screen. 1 screw over here. So once you've removed those 3 screws, it looks like the screen is free to come loose. Now, before I lift this screen any further, I'm actually gonna remove the ribbon cable by lifting up on that tab right there. Once the screen ribbon cable is free, then you can lift the housing away from it. And I guess that there's a little piece of tape along the bottom here that you're gonna need to remove as well, because it's kind of holding everything in place. So I just removed it from its ribbon cables here so that I can work it more easily. Alright, so it is stuck on there pretty good with some double-sided tape. I'm just going to try to keep that clean so that I can reuse it. Out with the old. I'm just going to pop it right in place there. The same exact way. While I'm at this step, I'll clean up the screen. Now that we've got that in place, I can try to squeeze this back in where it was. Now you reconnect all the ribbon cables. It's not the easiest job, but I think I did pretty good without breaking anything, hopefully. Reattach our internal screws. Now we want to reconnect this ribbon cable right there. So before I put all the screws back in place, I'm going to make sure that it's even working. Moment of truth. It works. No card and camera. Sensor cleaning. Card in. Hit play. We have an image. Once again, looks like I did pretty good shooting my photos without the LCD screen, but now I can actually see them. Here's my dog Coco. Now I just have to get a plastic outer glass cover, and those are pretty easy to replace. Scrape off the old cover and clean it up and put a new one on. So I plan to do that next, but it looks like I just got to get all the screws back in and we're in good shape. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.